to start affiliate marketing. Let's talk about it in today's video. I'll share the things that affiliate marketing needs to survive online, then some tips that you can use to find the best and most lucrative affiliate programs, and lastly are some way to boost your commission. So let's hop right into this. First, let's talk about the two most important things that all affiliate marketer needs to survive online. They're a tactic that have worked before with online marketing and are continuing to work in the online affiliate marketing world of today. These top two affiliate marketing tips, you'll be able to increase your sales and survive in affiliate marketing online. Number one, using unique web pages to promote each separate product you are marketing. Do not lump all of it together just to save some money on web hosting. It is best to have a site focusing on each and every product and nothing more. Always include product reviews on the website so visitors will have an initial understanding on what the product can do to those who buy them. Also include testimonials from users who have already tried the product. Be sure that these customers are more than willing to allow you to use their names and photos on the site of the specific product you are marketing. You can also write articles highlighting the use of the product and include them on the website as an additional page. Make the page attractive, compelling, and include calls to act on the information. Each headline should attract the readers to try and read more, even contact you. Highlight your special points. This will help your reader to learn what the page is about and will want to find out more. Number two, offer free sample to your visitor to collect their information. If possible, position your free offer at the very top side of your page so that they simply cannot be missed. Try to create autoresponder messages that will be mailed to those who input their personal information into your sign-up box. According to research, a sale is closed usually on the 7th contact with the prospect. Only two things that can possibly happen with the web page alone: closed sales or the prospect leaving the page and never returning again. By placing useful information into their inbox at a certain specified period, you will remind them of the product they thought they wanted later. Be sure that the content is directed towards specific reasons to buy the product. Do not make it sound like a sales pitch. Focus on important points like how your product can make life and things easier and more enjoyable. Include compelling subject line in the email as much as possible. Avoid using the word free because there are still older spam filters that dumps those kind of content into junk before even anyone reading them first. Alright, so you have catch up on the two things that affiliate marketers need to survive online. Now let's talk about choosing an affiliate program. Ask questions first before you join an affiliate program. Do a little research about the choices of program that you intend to join into. Get some answer because they will be the deciding point of what you will be achieving later on. Here are some questions that we think you might find useful. Number one, will it cost you anything to join? Most affiliate programs being offered today are absolutely free of charge, so why settle for those that charge you some dollars before joining? Number two, when do they issue the commission checks? Every program is different. Some issue their checks once a month, every quarter. Select the one that is suited to your payment time choice. Many affiliate programs are setting a minimum earned commission amount that an affiliate must meet or exceed in order for their checks to be issued. Number three, who is the online retailer? Find out who you are doing business with to know if it is really a solid company. Know the products they are selling and the average amount they are achieving. The more you know about the retailer offering you the affiliate program, the easier it will be for you to know if that program is really for you and your site. Number four, what are the kinds of affiliate stats available? Constantly checking your individual stat. It's important to know how many impressions, hit, and sales are already generated from your site. And lastly, what is the amount of commission paid? 20% to 80% and in some cases 100% is the commission paid by most programs. These are just some of the questions that need answering first before you enter into an affiliate program. You should be familiar with the many important aspects that your chosen program should have before incorporating them into your website. Now let's talk about how do you choose a good affiliate programs to promote. Here are some tips you may want to look over before choosing the best affiliate marketing program for you. Number one, a program that you like and have interest in. One of the best way of knowing if that is the kind of program you wish to promote is if you are interested in purchasing the product yourself. If that is the case, chances are there are many others who are also interested in the same program and products. 2. Look for a program that is of high quality. For instance, look for one that is associated with many experts in that particular industry. This way, you are assured of the standard of the program you will be joining into. 3. Look for a program that is catering to a growing target market. This will ensure you that there will be more and continuous demand for your referrals. Make inquiries. There are forums and discussion you can participate in to get good and reliable feedback. Number 4, be aware of the minimum quotas that you must fulfill or sales targets that are too hard to achieve. Some affiliate programs impose prerequisites before you get your commission. Just be sure that you are capable of attaining their requirements. And number 5, be aware of the things that members are not happy about the program. Similar to the one mentioned above, you can do your checking at discussion forums. If you know someone in that same program, there's no harm in asking if there are many downsides involved. Have a thorough and extensive knowledge about the affiliate program and network you will be promoting on. Knowing the kind of program you are getting yourself into will make you anticipate and prevent any future problem you may encounter. Looking for an affiliate programs to join? Check out Standout Affiliate Program. We offer high commission, a variety of products to sell, and the best of all, we don't put any limits to your earning. Check out the links in the description box to join Standout Affiliate Program and start earning with us now. And lastly, of course, we're going to talk about the top 2 ways to boost your affiliate commissions overnight. Assuming you're already into an affiliate program, what will be the next thing you would want to do? Double or even triple your commission, right? How do you do that? Here are some powerful tips on how to boost your affiliate program commission overnight. Number 1, know the best program and products to promote. Obviously, you would want to promote a program that will enable you to achieve the greatest profit in the shortest possible time. There are several factors to consider in selecting such a program. Choose the one that have generous commission structure, have products that fit in with your target audience, and that has a solid track record of paying their affiliate easily and on time. If you cannot seem to increase your investment, dump that program and keep looking for better ones. As simple as that. Number 2, ask for higher than normal commission from merchant. If you're already successful with a particular promotion, you should try and approach the merchant and negotiate a % commission for yourself. If the merchant is smart, he or she will likely grant your request rather than lose a valuable asset in you. Keep in mind that you are zero risk investment to your merchant, so do not be shy about requesting for addition in your commission. Just try to be reasonable about it. And that's it. We have reached the end to our how to start affiliate marketing and earn immediately video. I hope you like the step-by-step guide. Try out this strategy and see the difference it can make to your commission checks in the shortest time. Any specific affiliate marketing topic that you have in mind that you would like us to discuss? Comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stanford.